In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a row in Microsoft Lists. Whether you're working to consolidate information or simply duplicating records for modification, this process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Lists website. Typing Microsoft Lists into your search engine should quickly lead you to the official site. Once you're on the Microsoft Lists homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might be signed in automatically, saving you a little time. If that's not the case, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your password to access your account. It's as simple as that. Now that you're signed in, it's time to open the list you're working on in Microsoft Lists. Locate the list on your dashboard and click on it to bring up the main interface for editing and managing your data. Once you've got your list open, look towards the top of the page and you'll see an option that says Edit in Grid View. You'll want to click this as it allows you to interact with your list in a more comprehensive way, making it easier to manage your data directly in the grid layout. Next, the task is to select the row you wish to copy. Using your mouse, click and drag across all the cells in the row you're interested in. Make sure to click on the white space within a cell rather than the text itself to prevent any unwanted pop-up forms that could interrupt what you're trying to do. With the row selected, it's time to copy the data. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you'll use Command+C. This copies the data from the selected row to your clipboard. Now, scroll down to the bottom of your list, where you'll find an option labeled Add New Item. This is where your copied data will go. Click inside this field to activate the new row where your data can be pasted. Go ahead and click the first empty cell in the new item row and paste the data you copied by hitting Ctrl+V on a Windows computer or Command+V on a Mac. This action duplicates your selected row from earlier into a new row. Finally, ensure everything is correct and then exit the grid view by clicking Exit Grid View at the top. This saves your changes and ensures that your newly copied row is securely added to your list. And there you have it. Copying a row in Microsoft Lists is as easy as that. You're now equipped with the knowledge to duplicate rows whenever you need, simplifying your workflow and maximizing efficiency. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.